U Donald Trump ulat herting upop liu da kabakho di uban lai luat bah nakaliang jong upop ulat jubab da kaboong baki jinge jong kilongkat kum ke jinget nyam bat ke jing suk nakabanta kasan pertei hima sima.
We don't like a pope that's going to say that it's okay to have a nuclear weapon. We don't want a pope that says crime is okay in our cities. I don't like it. I'm not a big fan of Pope Leo. He's a very liberal person, and he's a man that doesn't believe in stopping crime. He's a man that doesn't think that we should be toying with a country that wants a nuclear weapon so they can blow up the world. I'm not a fan of Pope Leo.
I have no fear of neither the Trump administration nor speaking out loudly about the message of the gospel. And that's what I believe. And I am called to know what the church is called to do. We're not politicians. We're not looking at making foreign policy, as he calls it, with the same perspective that he might understand it. But I do believe that the message of the gospel, the lesson of the peacemakers, is a message that the world needs to hear tonight.